Mixture's rich, primer's locked, doors set, belts are set. And let's put in 10 degrees of flap. Pull back on the elevator. As soon as it gets up on the step, this thing's gonna wanna fly instantly. 3, 2, 1, and we're flying. These Super Cubs have 150 horsepower in them. It's a little bit cool today. It's about 6 degrees Celsius. We're up here in Northern Ontario, Canada. You guys can do the conversion to Fahrenheit. We're just going to do a couple low passes over the airport. Pull on the left tank, 3/4 on the right tank. This is the Ottawa Valley. Look at the river here. The Ottawa River is right in front of us. Look at the hills. We can already see we have fall coming. We have some colors. We're going to get you guys lots of fall video. Alright, let's pull the carb heat on because we're going to do an approach and a low flyby over the field. It's a nice grass strip here up in Manawa. These Super Cubs take no hands to fly. I just put my gloves on because it is frosty. I got the cabin heat on. 6 degrees Celsius though. Water freezes at 0. No, we're not landing on the grass, we're just doing a flyby. We're actually going to do 3 flybys here. Go back to full power, carb heat off. There's our first flyby.